YouTube to them installing the HID lights on this fog light. It's very easy. You just take out this splash guard, this piece here, and to get the fog light housing off, there's a bolt right there, 8 mm. You just get your 8 mm socket with your ratchet, and you can get it from the bottom. It's on this side. It's on the right side, and the left side just hooks in over here, and then you pull the whole assembly out, the housing. And I have the HID light in already. It's very easy to connect. Just twist the bulb and take it off, and put the new one in, and then you connect this part of the plugs to this connection here, and then you connect this part and these two wires, and that's it, and then you put it back together.